Hello guys, Samsung S7 Edge has just received Oreo 9 update, but we are still facing problems in Edge Lightning. So when I send a message to my own phone from WhatsApp, see, we don't get any Edge lighting on always on display. See, so the small fix to this problem is just open it. Go to the WhatsApp messages, go to settings, notifications, and hit always show pop-up and notifications, both at the top and the bottom. Now when you put on always on display and try to send the message again, see, you are getting Edge lightning now. Thanks. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.